Hi, welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day. And today I have a must-have accessory if you own the GoPro. And typically with the GoPro, you're gonna get a connector like this. A little bit of a cumbersome if you need to go from one tripod to the other with your camera. Well, today I wanna show you how to make it so much easier. And Ulanzi, which makes a lot of GoPro accessories, as you probably know, has created a quick magnetic release adapter. With the twist of the GoPro, it disconnects with a magnetic bottom and it locks in place. And now it makes it so much easier where I could go from one tripod. So I can go from the mini GoPro tripod to the 3-way 2.0 as I just got with a quick turn, locks in place just like that, quickly and easily. Here's a extendable tripod. And then here, very connecting it real quick and easy. You got the thread in this case, just screws on like this, and then you just a quick, simple twist and lock, and you're good to go. I mean, how awesome is that? This is a must-have. Now, I'll put a link in the description where you can learn more about it. You can order it, but I think everybody who owns a GoPro should probably have 2 of them, because you're gonna go from one device to the other. And you could see I've got which is the 3-way 2.0, that's got a little bit of a different connector. It does come with this bottom connector going this way, or going with the, typical, actually goes, if you got a typical tripod connector. So you've got 2 different bottoms to choose from. So you got the thread for a typical tripod, or if you have to use the connector for one of the GoPros that has a different connector bottom, then you can go that way too. I mean, how awesome is that, right? Leave any comments what you think, but if you haven't heard about this, must have to order. Let me know if you have any questions. I really wanted to share this with you. I mean, I think it just makes life so much easier when you're using a GoPro, when you're having to go from one tripod to another. All right, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.